How to fix Snapchat notification sound. So if you go here to your Snapchat application and go here to your Bitmoji on the upper left and go here on your upper right, you'll see some gear icon here. Now if you scroll down, you'll see notifications here. Now you won't be able to actually change your Snapchat notification sound even though if you go here to your settings. Let's just go here to settings first and look for your Snapchat application here. And if you go through this, tap on notifications, as you can see, you won't be able to change a specific notification sound for Snapchat. So you can't actually do anything about it because there's no options for Snapchat. But what you can do is if you really don't like the Snapchat notification sound, then what you can do is or the only way that you can do is you go here to your sounds and haptics and change the notifications for every applications or every or notifications that you have in your phone, and basically that's it. That's how you fix Snapchat notification sound, and that is all for today. If this and basically that's it. That's the only way you can change the Snapchat notification sound, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.